We're ragging up because it's cold outside.
It's so cold that the locals are saying it's a bit chilly.
Yeah. Do-do-do-do-do. TNT. Morning everyone, it's 7:11 in the morning and we've got a mostly empty bus and we're about to head off towards Greymouth.
It's so cold.
So cold. Even the chick from Philadelphia says it's cold. Sun breaking over the mountains on the frosty field. Check that out. We're walking to the Pancake Rocks.
We're at Punakaiki, where they've got the giant blowholes in the Pancake Rocks, which the area is famous for.
And later, Tizza doesn't know this yet, but we're going to go cave rafting in the underwater glowworm caves.
No, we're not.
Because we just love icy water.
We've only gone a couple of hours more south than we were before, but I'm wearing 2 more layers and I'm still cold.
So cold.
My favourite bit from the trip so far is literally today doing the bus trip from Nelson down to Greymouth, because it was just so beautiful and there's so many different types of country. There's like mountains and rivers and farms and yeah, just lots of different types of New Zealand, and it was really beautiful.